What's up YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Justine here, and on today's video I am going to be showing you guys how I installed this hair. Okay y'all, so the first thing I'm going to do is show y'all what comes inside of my Arabella's package. This is the package that my hair came in, obviously. So yeah, let's get into it, y'all. Let's see. So you got a little note card, dear baby, thank you for choosing Arabella hair. We sincerely appreciate getting your trust and support in the further development of Arabella. Hope your support is always by our side and becomes the driving force for our continuous progress. Best wishes for you. With a little coupon in our goodie bag, our lashes, and lastly our hair. So let me open this and see what we're talking about. Okay. These lashes are a little too dramatic for me. I don't do the whole lashes thing. It doesn't really suit me in my opinion, but these are some cute lashes. And then we have our goodie bag, which has in it a little edges satin scarf, hair clip, and another one. This is cute. Edges comb and brush, and a wig cap. And that's all that's inside of here. And now let's get into our hair. All right y'all, so let's go ahead and open this up. I got a 30-inch HD lace 13x4 frontal wig. Y'all, this hair is silky. Okay. I love me some Arabellas, y'all. Like, I love me some Arabellas. Let's get into this. The inches. First of all, baby, the silkiness. Like, are you kidding me? Rapunzel, let down your hair. This is doing it for me. Oh my gosh. Yes. And look at the hairline. Okay. Oh, I'm so pleased. This is a 13x4, as I said. So here's the inside. A very deep parting, and I'm happy about that. Comes with a wig band on the inside, which is great. 4 combs, 2 on the side. Well, 2 on the inside, 1 in the front, 1 in the back. Y'all, this hair is looking so good off rip. Like, what the freak? It's hecka cute. Silky as ever. Running my fingers through this jaw mad long. Like, what? I'm excited to throw this on. The hairline is super duper plucked, y'all. And this is HD lace. Like, that's giving you scalp me, girl. I'm excited because I just know I don't have to do nothing to this. Like, this is going to be my easiest install yet. And I don't even feel like I need to bleach these knots. Like, y'all think I need to bleach this? I don't. It's giving scalp. But as y'all can tell, I just took it out the back, so I don't have any reviews on the maintenance or the shedding or anything like that. I haven't done anything to it. But off of first rip, I'm gonna say that I love this hair. Like, I'm loving how it looks. Arabella's has never let me down yet, and I don't expect them to start. So yes, y'all, like, this is doing it for me. It's doing it. I'm ready to go put her on. So I just wanted y'all to see me take it out the box, to see how it looks straight off the out the package. And now we're about to go ahead and get the install going. So without further ado, let's get into this install. Okay y'all, so I did my frozen cap method off camera this time because y'all have seen it 1,000 times. But this is me just throwing on the wig just to see where it goes, because this is my first time, you know, taking out the packaging and putting it on. And now I'm about to cut out the extra lace where I don't need it over my ears, because clearly that's too big. And I'm just going to measure around at first just to see exactly where I want my hairline to start and where I'm going to glue down the wig, etc. So right now I'm just going to get a feel for the wig and how it's about to be on my head. I'm using that Sharpie to make dots so I know exactly where I want my glue to go on my forehead. Some people I've seen use chalk because it's less permanent, but I just wanted to make sure that I'm not putting too much glue and eliminating some of the cleanup process at the end. So I just use that Sharpie to make those dots, and now I know exactly where my glue is going to go. And I cut my lace into 4 pieces, y'all, because it makes it easier to install it. Now, if y'all have watched any of my previous installs, you'll know exactly how I do my glue down process, but if this is your first video, here's your time to find out. Normally, I'll put my glue on my forehead, and then I'll spread it out with whatever I have. This time I had a comb, so I spread it out, and then I'll blow dry, and I do it again and again 3 times over, and on the 3rd time after blow drying and the glue is clear, that's when I'll put the lace down onto the glue. I do it 3 times really to secure the lace. I feel it gives me a better hold after 3 times, but sometimes I have to go in and add a little bit more glue afterwards, so 3 times is a good estimate. So after I put the lace down over the glue, that's when I'm gonna comb it out and grab my blow dryer to give it that extra hold, and I'll go on to the remaining sections and do each part over again. Just glue and dry 3 times, and then put the lace down, blow dry it afterwards, and it's pretty simple and self-explanatory. So yeah, this is what I do, and I just do that 3 times on each little section, and go in and add more glue wherever you see is needed. Now, I love using that wig band, y'all, because it really helps me secure down my wig and keep it down onto my forehead. And I got it from Amazon, by the way. So just type in wig bands and you'll find it. It's a whole roll. But it really does help me.
Turn it up. Yeah. Let me hear you say, "Hey yo, we make today."
Yeah, when I took that wig band off, I was very perplexed because I'm like, why is my glue white? I did not know where I went wrong. I don't know what it was this time because it's never white. But yeah, I just went and grabbed some rubbing alcohol to clean it up, and then afterwards I kind of just gave up and like continued to blow dry and whatnot, and it went away as I went about the install. Like it mellowed into my skin, but I really don't know why that glue was white. So yeah. When it came time to pull out that bang, y'all, I was getting frustrated because I'm like, yo, this is not like, it just was not cooperating with me. I couldn't find the perfect fringe and whatnot, but I realized like I just need to pull out this section and customize it myself. So that's what I did, and then I was very like going through it. Everything I did was just looking weird, but just take your time with it, play around with it, maneuver, whatnot, and then eventually it's gonna like form itself to your face. So don't just give up after you do your bang and it doesn't look right. Keep going, because that's what I did. So once I really felt like I had my bang ready, I decided to grab my tweezer and tweeze it to really give it that fringy look because it was too full for me. I don't really like a thick bang. So yeah, just grab your tweezer and go ahead and make it as thin as you want it. Or if you want it thicker, then obviously you can just go ahead and add more hair. But yeah, that tweezer really helped me, y'all. And be careful because I did almost get some hair in my eye. I got a little piece and like my eyes was watering up. So yeah, just be careful, y'all, because this is very close to your eye. And I almost stabbed myself in the eye with my scissor too. So just make sure y'all know what y'all doing. So right around here, y'all, you see I just keep combing out my bang and playing around with it because I wasn't necessarily feeling it on my head. But I feel like if you just keep going around with it, playing with it, moving it around, doing your little cuts and whatnot, it will form to your face and eventually you will be satisfied with your look. So just continue to play around with it. And then once you're done with your bang, you can go ahead and straighten your hair as I'm doing. And by the time you're done straightening, basically you're just about done with the look. This was, I feel like as though this was a very simple install process, especially because you don't have to worry about your legs being too perfect since it's covered in like every aspect. The bang covers the front, and then the hair falling down covers the sides. So this is a pretty simple process. It's mostly the bang that takes more technique. Alright y'all, so that is all that we have for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this install process, watching me review the hair and put it on. Stay tuned for an update. I will be giving you guys an update for this hair on the maintenance, tangling, shedding, etc. This is my first day with it on, so I can't give you any info yet, but stay tuned for the next video and enjoy your holidays, guys. Bye.